Hey guys, so today we're going to be making donuts. Finally, I'm making donuts. A while ago in my baking supplies that I got for Christmas 2017 video that I made a while ago back in December, I showed you guys my air fryer and I said I would start making donuts, and I purposely waited until the summer. I purposely waited until the summer because I've never made donuts before. I've baked donuts, but I've never fried donuts. So I knew that I needed extra time for this recipe just in case any disasters happen, but hopefully everything turns out okay. So yeah, let's get started. The ingredients you'll need will be a 1/4 cup of warm water, and I warmed this up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. You'll also need 1/2 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, a 1/4 cup of whole milk at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted, and finally 1 large egg beaten. So first, in a small bowl, I'm taking the water, yeast, and the 1/2 teaspoon of the granulated sugar, and I'm just stirring that together with a spatula. And then once you're done stirring, just let this stand for about 5 minutes so that the mixture gets foamy. Now, in a medium bowl, I'm taking the flour, salt, and the 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and then I'm just mixing that together with a spatula. Now add the yeast mixture, the milk, butter, and the egg, and stir that together with a wooden spoon. Just keep stirring this until it starts to form a dough. Now just place your dough onto a lightly floured surface and then just knead it with your hands for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now just transfer your dough to a lightly greased bowl and cover it with some saran wrap, and we're going to let it rise until it's doubled in volume. This should take about an hour. Now on a lightly floured surface, roll out your dough until it's a 1/4 inch thick, and then use a 3-inch or 3.5 inch circle cookie cutter to cut out the donut shape, and then use a 1-inch circle cookie cutter to cut out the hole. And here I'm just reshaping the donut and making the hole a little bit bigger because my cookie cutter was very small. So now I just transferred my donuts to a tray with flour on it, and I covered it with saran wrap, and we're going to let these sit for about 30 minutes so that they double in volume. So now it's time to bake our donuts. So just place 1 donut into the air fryer, and we're going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 to 5 minutes, and then just keep repeating that with all the donuts. And also, I found that if you spray the top of the donut with some cooking spray, it actually makes it come out better and gives you that fried food texture. Once you've fried all your donuts, you could just place them onto a cooling rack. Now we're going to make the glaze, and all you'll need for this is 1 cup of powdered sugar and 4 teaspoons of water. Now in a medium bowl, I'm just pouring in my powdered sugar and the water and just whisk that together until it's all smooth. Now just dip your donuts into the glaze and put it back on the cooling rack with a tray under it so that the glaze can drip off the sides, and let that harden for about 10 minutes. And these are our beautiful finished glazed donuts. They look so good and we made them with an air fryer. I have been wanting to do this for so long and I'm so happy that we finally got to make donuts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what I should bake next, and my social medias are in the description, so go follow me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!